Morning guys, it's Sunday. We're getting ready for church and I've got Samoa's favorite chips, Samoan taro chips. Hey guys, so we just finished church. Good morning, or good afternoon actually. It's 1 p.m. That's illegal, Mom. Put them back in, the viewers can see. Sorry guys, do not tell anyone about that. I'm so sorry. But I just wanted to show you my lovely say from my cousin in Kukuwila. Thank you, Nita. I love you so much. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. Girlfriend, yeah, so fun. I just finished having a shower. It's too hot. And god, I love this sea so much. I love this sea, even though it's probably the same size as my head. I love it. Thank you so much, Nita. I am claiming this. Claim it. Tax free. No one will take this away from me. I love it so much. Hello, fatty boy. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Are you sure, Mom?
Yeah.
Look up. You see that park over there? It's all moldy now, if you can see on the roof of it. I used to come here, like, I'm not joking, every single week with my parents, Chris and I, and we would play and play and play and play and play in that mushroom until they'd come back and get us. Honestly, it was like the best thing ever.
I made ice cream.
Wow.
Made by me. It's a cute box.
Thank you. We always get compliments about Evan every time we go out. Hey, so. Ew, what are those spiky things? Live sea urchins. Wow. Is that GMO? I've never seen a yellow watermelon. Look. Babe, what do you think about the flower in my ear? Really?
It looks like you're going to share.
No, honey, it does not look like it. I just got back from church. It is so nice. It left him speechless. Baby, those flowers are really beautiful. I think you need to buy me a flower bunch. I need to get some greens to make some salad. Yummy. I want to get some Brussels sprouts as well. These are huge. Get roasting my Brussels sprouts again. How much are these a kilo? What the heck? $15 a kilo? Okay. This shop is quite expensive. We're here at the mall now. Oh my gosh, I don't look as pretty as I did when I first videoed, do I? It's like 2 hours later, and guess who I saw? Say hello! Are you thirsty? I guess. Show the viewers your Chinaman. Do your Chinaman face. That is grass or leaves. Ew. That looks like bum hair. Ew. That looks like grass. Ew. That looks like bum hair.
Did you see Uncle Ossie? And Nanny? Naya. Yeah, how? Yeah.
Uncle Ossie Nanny?
Yeah, there. See? You see? Here's our.
There. He loves his Uncle Ossie. We just got home and we picked up some Nando's on the way for dinner. I just never want to take this off, to be honest. It's 8:15 and I'm over here finna still be Moana. You know, I think this needs coconut water. It needs to add more liquid. Okay, so my nephew wants me to make him a bottle and I really don't want to. You're a wicked auntie. And that makes me a wicked auntie. And when he's older, he better do all my fails. And I'm going to remind him that I had to make him how many bottles every night, every day, every night. This is how you make a baby bottle. First, you gotta look hot. Second, you rinse the excess residue that was in there before. Generally, some like to boil it, but in this case, we're just gonna rinse it because it's quite clean already. Then when it's empty and you know that it's clean, then you just mix it. Gabiosi.
Oh yeah, sumai lah mai.
Gabiosi.
Oi.
Still being Mona. Guys, we'll probably call it a night, 'cause we are tired. We love you, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, because we're cool. So subscribe to our channel. Isn't that cool, honey? Now you have to sing a song.
The solution was simple. Adam's son John had followed
That was so dry. This is Moana, and this is Rafiki. Is that his name?
Maui.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Let me take that back. This is Moana, and this is Maui.
Yay.
Maui, sail my ship to the Neverland. I am Moana of Motusi, and you will board my boat to restore the heart of Te Whiti. Maui, Maui, let's go.
Maui, get you a big smash.
Maui,
get a smash to this girl.
I command you to restore my boat. Oi. I command you to ship the boat and restore the heart of Rafiki. Maui, I command you to board my ship to restore the heart of Te Whiti and Te Pui.
What the hell, Maui? This is a weapon we used long time ago when we fight with other people come overseas in summer.
Ooh. Maui, I will cut your throat. Sorry, honey, I didn't realize it was so sharp. Yeah, do it again, softly. Maui, I will cut your throat if you don't board my ship and take me to restore the heart of Te Whiti.
Mike.
Maui! Hai, har du jävla med jag?
Bye, Maui. Bye, everyone. We miss you so much.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.